Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna to talk about how to improve your English speaking. So let let's understand first why it is important. So English is not important, bro. It's very important. So you have to understand first English is very important. Why it is very important? I'm giving some points and you know why it's very important. If you talk with English, if you talk with anyone in English, so they know they these guys are a literate person and educated person and they know most of the things. So your conversation will be good and you will connect person very easily. So and whenever you go anywhere and you if you talk with you in English, so your respect button will go high and they know you are a very educated person. So you have to speak English if you work any company and any company, like if you even if you work on a call center. So if you know English and if you will speak English, then your salary will increase a high level. So because they 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 provide service foreign country also. So if you don't know Hindi, then how can you communicate with the foreign country? So if you know English, then you will communicate na. So that's why English is very important. So how to improve English from day first? So we will improve our English from beginner to advanced. So what are these steps we have to know? Okay, so listen more than you speak. So you have to listen podcast, movies, web series in English, only in English, not in Hindi. Just focus on your English. And watch also news in English. So whenever you listen, watch and listen carefully. And shadowing, what is the meaning of shadowing? When you watch any podcast, just stop the video and repeat the sentence, their accent, how they pronunciate these sentence, these word, and just repeat them, so that your clarity will be good. That's why you have to speak and just speak. Okay, so listen carefully, this is very important. Then what? Shadowing, just repeat, stop the video and repeat again and again. Okay, active learning, whenever you listen anyone, if you talk with physical and any call, so whenever you listen, so listen carefully. Whenever they finish their sentence, you don't know, you don't start speaking. Think before English. So you have to think in English, not in Hindi, and then translate English to Hindi. So you have to think before speaking, and also think in English, not in Hindi. Okay, speak clearly and slowly. You don't need to speak fluently in starting. Just speak with clarity. Okay, pronunciation will be good, and no need to speak from a starting speed. You just speed up. You will be speak slowly, but clarity, this will be good. Improve your vocabulary. Whenever you watch video and you don't know their meaning, so you have to just write on your copy and search on the Google their meaning, and just try to make a sentence from this meaning from your own. Okay, so that this word, this vocab, you will be learn very long time when you practice a lot. So daily practice. So or pick a topic from yourself and just try to speak more than as you can 10 minutes, 20 minutes, not 20 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, speak and pick another topic and speak. And you have to learn also grammar. Grammar is not a very advanced and very difficult. It's normal. You have to learn tense. Tense is not a very difficult. It's very easy. When you will learn, there are so many resources on YouTube like Dear Sir and any other course also. So you have to learn from there. Okay, and let's speak so that you will be able to speak.
Thank you.